Have you ever seen an order flow footprint chart? It looks just like this. What you're looking at here is an S&P 500 contract on a 5-minute time frame chart. What you're going to find on an order flow footprint chart are candles that hold exponentially more information than what you can find in a regular candlestick chart. What you're looking at here are the actual orders placed in the marketplace that are flowing into the candle. So you have a sell side on your left-hand side. You have a buy side on your right-hand side. And what you're looking at are the aggressive buyers and sellers in the marketplace. When you have an imbalance, it will highlight and show you when there is an imbalance in the marketplace to the buy side or to the sell side. So let's talk about using order flow for better trade decisions. Number one, you're able to qualify your setups through another filter. You can actually assess the magnitude, number two, of moves pretty quickly. And what I mean by magnitude is how powerful was that last candle? How powerful was the last series of candles? You're able to assess a relevant imbalance in the current, in the now. You are also able to ID absorption in the marketplace. When buyers are absorbing sellers or when sellers are absorbing buyers, it's very important to know that when you see that happening at tops or bottoms. You're able to ID initiation. When you see absorption, what typically follows is an initiation of a move. Okay? Those are very two important things to watch. Another very valuable tool that you can see happening in real time, you can watch the shift from aggressive buying to aggressive selling. And you can watch that immediately. And overall and in general, you can watch and understand the market in a deeper meaning than you can with just basic standard candles. Let's go to the charts and take a look. Okay, obviously right here, you can see we are in an uptrend. You can see buying slowing down as we come into the opening of the market. You can see we are in a downtrend coming in, and you can see the sellers slowing down. You can see absorption happening at a low right in here, and then you can see initiation happening right through the open. And bam, right off the open, here we go off the top, rip to a structure level, and then you can watch buyers fade as they move up, and you can see sellers starting to pour into the marketplace right here and reverse. That's the power of order flow. You can see this all happening in real time, and you're able to make better trading decisions and qualify your entries and setups much better. If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out NinjaTrader's Fast Track with the link below.